Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change the name of your XIAOMI Smart Standing Fan Lite 2. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the XIAOMI Home app and then make sure that your fan has been paired to your phone. And after that, we're going to go into the fan menu or fan settings and then click the three dots on the top right and then press on more device info and select custom name. So here, once you click custom name, you have the option to change the name of the fan to whatever you want. So if you change the name, that's the name that's going to appear in the at the start of your fan, so like in the home screen. So as you can see, I've changed it to test, and it has changed to test in the app. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.